Hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. So today I am going to be starting to make some of the Christmas cookies that I make every year. I make a whole bunch. Normally I do it all in one day. I don't feel up to that this year. So we're going to start off today with the first kind, which is like these molasses gingerbread cookies dipped in white chocolate. They're really beautiful, really delicious. But I'm gonna start off by doing a dairy-free version with my son, and he's gonna help me make cookies, and I have this idea that it's gonna be this beautiful thing. It's probably not, it's gonna be super annoying, but you get to watch and find out how it goes. So let's get started. Alright, so we are gonna make our gingerbread cookies today. Oh, let me take my rings off. Not that it matters, because we have to let the dough chill for an hour before we can like make them. But we can at least get started on like the mixing and everything. So I've got all my ingredients out over here. Mixer and everything's ready to go. So we're gonna make some cookies. All right, here we go.
Whisk.
All right, let's see.
Whisk.
All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do in that bowl right there, we're gonna put 2 1/4 cups of flour. So here's our flour. 2 1/4 cup, buddy. All right, we're gonna fill this up. 1. Can you help me count? 2. Mix this. 3. 4. That's 1 cup. 1. 2, 3, 4. That's 2 cups. Mix gently. Oh my gosh, we're making a mess. Look, he already like flopped some out. All right, here we go. Mix it gentle like this from the top. Can you mix it from the top? From the top. All right, that's our flour. So now we need to add baking soda, salt. All right, buddy, look. Daddy's gonna put this in the bowl. All right, scoot back. All right, mix it. Good job. Gingerbread cookies, yep.
You mix in the salt, buddy? Mix it.
All right, we need 2 teaspoons of ginger. Ooh, good mixing. Can mommy help? Around in big circles.
2 teaspoons?
Yes, of ginger. Ooh. 2 hands? Do you need to use 2 hands? Okay. You got a teaspoon of cinnamon? That's cinnamon. You want to dump it in?
You put it in the bowl?
Oh, good job. All right, mix it up. We're going to do... Is it mixing? All right. Daddy's going to put an egg in.
There. Here it goes.
Mix in the egg. You see the egg? All right, so now we're going to close it again.
Are you supposed to put the other stuff in?
No, it says mix in egg.
Then blend.
See the egg's going to go all mixed in. Look, you want to help me? All right, dump it. Wow. All right, buddy, look, you going to help me?
Set on low speed.
All right, let's do it.
Well, I guess
What's it say?
the next step is supposed to be on low speed.
Blend in molasses and vanilla. Mix around low speed. Oh, then we'll add in the drying. So, all right, we're gonna mix it up. What color is it? It is gonna be yummy. What color is it? It's turning brown. Turning brown. We're gonna have to use the whisk, yeah, just slowly. Do you see it, buddy? them up.
Can you say it's mixing up?
Mix up.
Yeah. What does it smell like? Hey, buddy, what does it smell like?
Just talking to him about it. All right, so while that dough is chilling in the fridge, I am going to make a regular batch with real Kerrygold butter, delicious, of cookies that will be like for us and to share with neighbors and at my annual Christmas Eve party. So we're gonna get started on that so that that dough can also chill for an hour. These are the most delicious cookies. I'll leave the recipe down below. Love them, highly recommend. You really can't mess them up, they're so yummy. All right, let's get baking. So both batches of cookie dough are in the fridge, chilling for the next hour-ish. I'm gonna clean up all of this mess because after they're done, the one that has the Kerrygold butter, that's, Andrew can't have, I'm going to form that into balls, roll it in some sugar to help it, or to like give it like a sugary coating, and then cook them like that. And then I'll be decorating those a little bit differently. They'll be like dipped in white chocolate, and I'm gonna draw holly berries on them. And then the one that is dairy free, we are going to probably also put some sugar on top of that, but I'm gonna roll it out, and then we're gonna use gingerbread cookie cutters to make a little gingerbread man. So we'll see how it turns out. I have never made gingerbread cookies with dairy-free butter, so stay tuned and see how they turn out. All right, so it's been a couple of hours now. Oh, there's the one that Trevor tasted. These are just the regular ones that we did while Andrew was napping, and now I'm gonna get it set up to do the ones that we're gonna use the cookie cutters for. All right, so I look down here. I've got my dough rolled out, and then I just like dipped the little cookie cutters in flour so that hopefully they don't stick. We'll see how that works. Might need some more. All right, here, sit down. This is our cookie dough, and these are our cookie cutters that we're gonna use to cut. Let me just set this up a little bit more so we can see your cute little face. There we go. Can you say hi?
Hi.
All right. Can you push this cookie cutter right here? Can you push it down? Push it. Good job. Now look. Is it gingerbread?
It's
You want to do this one?
yellow.
You want to do this one? Hold on. Let me help you figure out how to fit it. Press it. Oh. Gingerbread. So basically, these are the chubbiest gingerbread men I've ever seen in my life. Didn't really turn out, I think because I was using a dough that is just meant for like soft gingerbread cookies. And I should have used those gingerbread man specific recipes. So this is what it is. I did make a few of the balls so that they'll look like that.
All right, buddy. Here's your first bite of cookie.
Yeah.
Hey, where you going? Come back here. Hey, excuse me, sir. How did it taste? Sir?
Is it yummy?
Is it yummy, sir?
Is that your gingerbread cookies that you made?
How's it taste, buddy? Take a bite.
My face is all flushed from baking in the oven, but I'm gonna decorate these cookies with white chocolate. So I'm gonna melt that and then try and decorate it with I'm using like a gel instead of an icing. Just because it was sparkly and I thought it'd be pretty, but now I'm thinking the consistency isn't gonna be right, but we shall see. They're done. They don't look perfect, but I think they turned out pretty cute for the most part, and these are always super delicious. So I just need to let them harden so that I can store them. Some of these are going in the freezer. Some of them will stay out for us to eat. My hair is a little bit crazy, but thank you so much for watching and following along with the baking and how all of that turned out. I will link this recipe down below if you are interested in trying it. It's very delicious. They freeze super well, and then once they thaw, they still taste super fresh and moist. You want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say see you tomorrow.
Tomato.
All right, stay tuned for the next day of Vlogmas tomorrow. Bye.